Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting topics of 2025, how to make money with AI, and guess what? You don't need any startup capital to get started. Whether you're a freelancer, a content creator, or just someone looking for a side hustle, AI is here to help you turn your skills into cash. Let's jump right into the top 10 ways you can start earning today. 1. Affiliate marketing with AI tools. First up, affiliate marketing. AI tools like ChatGPT and Jasper AI can help you create high-converting product reviews, blog posts, and social media content in minutes. Platforms like Amazon Associates and ClickBank offer affiliate programs where you earn commissions for every sale made through your referral links. With AI, you can scale your efforts without spending hours writing content. Here's how you can get started. First, sign up for affiliate programs that align with your niche. Then, use AI tools to generate content that promotes these products. For example, if you're in the fitness niche, you can use ChatGPT to write blog posts about the best workout gear and include your affiliate links. The key is to create valuable content that drives traffic and conversions. With AI, you can produce more content in less time, increasing your chances of earning commissions. 2. Create and sell AI-generated content. Next, content creation. AI tools like Canva AI, Pictory, and Synthesia can help you create stunning visuals, videos, and even entire blog posts. You can sell these as templates, courses, or even offer content creation services to businesses. The best part, you don't need to be a tech wizard to get started. Let's break it down. If you're into graphic design, Canva AI can help you create professional-looking designs in minutes. You can sell these designs on platforms like Etsy or offer them as part of a subscription service. If you're more into video content, tools like Pictory and Synthesia can help you create engaging videos without needing a camera or editing skills. You can sell these videos to businesses or use them to create your own online courses. The possibilities are endless, and with AI, you can create high-quality content without breaking a sweat. 3. Build and sell AI chatbots. Chatbots are in high demand. Platforms like ManyChat and ChatFuel let you create AI-powered chatbots for businesses. You can offer these as a service or sell pre-built chatbots tailored to specific industries. It's a great way to earn passive income while helping businesses improve customer support. Here's how you can get started. First, familiarize yourself with chatbot platforms like ManyChat or ChatFuel. These platforms offer drag-and-drop interfaces, making it easy to create chatbots without any coding knowledge. Once you're comfortable, you can start offering chatbot creation services to businesses. For example, you can create a chatbot for an e-commerce store that helps customers track their orders or recommend products. You can charge a one-time fee for creating the chatbot or offer ongoing maintenance services for a recurring fee. With AI, you can create chatbots that provide real value to businesses, making this a lucrative opportunity. 4. Offer AI-powered freelance services. Freelancing just got a major upgrade with AI. Whether you're a writer, designer, or editor, tools like Jasper AI, Grammarly, and Topaz Photo AI can help you deliver high-quality work faster. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are full of clients looking for AI-enhanced services. Start small and watch your income grow. Let's dive deeper. If you're a writer, tools like Jasper AI can help you generate content ideas, write articles, and even optimize your content for SEO. You can offer these services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, where clients are always looking for high-quality content. If you're a designer, tools like Canva AI and Topaz Photo AI can help you create stunning visuals in minutes. You can offer these services to businesses or sell your designs on platforms like Etsy. The key is to leverage AI tools to deliver high-quality work faster, allowing you to take on more clients and increase your earnings. 5. Create and sell online courses. Online courses are booming, and AI can help you create them in no time. Use tools like ChatGPT to outline your course and Synthesia to generate video content. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to sell your courses to a global audience, share your expertise, and earn passive income. Here's how you can get started. First, identify a topic you're knowledgeable about. It could be anything from digital marketing to graphic design. Once you've chosen your topic, use ChatGPT to outline your course content. Then use tools like Synthesia to create video lessons. Synthesia allows you to create AI-generated videos with virtual presenters, so you don't even need to be on camera. Once your course is ready, you can sell it on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. With AI, you can create high-quality courses in a fraction of the time, making this a great way to earn passive income. 6. AI-powered e-commerce. E-commerce is another goldmine. Use AI tools to create product descriptions, optimize your store, and even run ads. Platforms like TikTok Shop and Shopify make it easy to start selling without holding inventory. With AI, you can focus on scaling your business while the tools handle the heavy lifting. Let's break it down. If you're starting an e-commerce store, AI tools like ChatGPT can help you create compelling product descriptions that drive sales. You can also use AI tools to optimize your store for search engines, making it easier for customers to find your products. Platforms like TikTok Shop and Shopify make it easy to start selling without holding inventory. You can use dropshipping to fulfill orders, meaning you don't need to worry about stocking products or managing a warehouse. With AI, you can focus on scaling your business while the tools handle the heavy lifting, making this a great opportunity for aspiring entrepreneurs. 7. Provide AI translation and subtitling services. Language barriers? No problem. AI tools like Google Translate and Microsoft Translator can help you offer translation and subtitling services. Businesses and content creators are always looking for ways to reach global audiences, and you can be the one to help them. Here's how you can get started. First, familiarize yourself with AI translation tools like Google Translate and Microsoft Translator. These tools can help you translate text quickly and accurately. Once you're comfortable, you can start offering translation services to businesses or content creators. For example, you can translate blog posts, social media content, or even subtitles for videos. You can charge a fee for each project or offer ongoing services for a recurring fee. With AI, you can provide high-quality translations in a fraction of the time, making this a great way to earn money while helping businesses reach global audiences. 8. Sell AI-generated art and designs. Art and design are now accessible to everyone thanks to AI. Tools like Midjourney and DALL-E let you create stunning visuals that you can sell on platforms like Etsy or Shutterstock. Whether it's custom illustrations or print-on-demand products, the possibilities are endless. Let's dive deeper. If you're into art and design, tools like Midjourney and DALL-E can help you create stunning visuals in minutes. You can sell these designs on platforms like Etsy or offer them as part of a subscription service. If you're more into print-on-demand, you can use these tools to create designs for products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. Platforms like Printful and Printify make it easy to start selling without holding inventory. With AI, you can create high-quality designs in a fraction of the time, making this a great way to earn money while doing what you love. 9. AI-powered social media management. Social media managers, listen up. AI tools like Buffer and Hootsuite can help you schedule posts, analyze performance, and even generate content. Offer these services to businesses and watch your client list grow. Here's how you can get started. First, familiarize yourself with AI-powered social media management tools like Buffer and Hootsuite. These tools can help you schedule posts, analyze performance, and even generate content. Once you're comfortable, you can start offering social media management services to businesses. For example, you can manage a company's social media accounts, create content, and analyze performance to help them grow their online presence. You can charge a monthly fee for these services, making this a great way to earn recurring income. With AI, you can manage multiple accounts efficiently, allowing you to take on more clients and increase your earnings. To stand out as a social media manager, focus on offering data-driven strategies. Use AI tools to analyze your clients' social media performance and provide actionable insights. For example, you could create a monthly report that highlights top-performing posts, audience engagement, and growth opportunities. By offering value-added services, you can attract higher-paying clients and build long-term relationships. With AI, social media management is a scalable and profitable business opportunity in 2025. 10. Participate in AI freelance projects. Finally, dive into AI freelance projects. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are full of opportunities for AI-related work, from data analysis to building machine learning models. If you have the skills, this is a lucrative way to earn money while gaining valuable experience. Let's break it down. If you have skills in data analysis, machine learning, or AI development, Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are full of opportunities. You can offer services like data analysis, AI model development, or even AI consulting. For example, you can help businesses analyze their data to make better decisions or develop AI models to automate their processes. You can charge a fee for each project or offer ongoing services for a recurring fee. With AI, you can work on exciting projects while earning a lucrative income, making this a great opportunity for tech-savvy freelancers. To succeed in AI freelance projects, focus on building a strong portfolio. Start by taking on smaller projects to gain experience and showcase your skills. As you build your reputation, you can start bidding on higher-paying projects and attracting more clients. Use AI tools to streamline your workflow and deliver high-quality results in less time. With the growing demand for AI expertise, freelancing in this field is a highly profitable opportunity in 2025. And there you have it, 10 ways to make money with AI in 2025, all with zero startup cost. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more ways to make money online. Check out this video for the laziest way to make money online. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.